In this video, we're going to look at how to add Statcounter using Google Tag Manager. Inside of your Statcounter project, on the lower left-hand side, click Project Config and then Reinstall Code. In the middle of the screen, click the link where it says 70 platforms. And in this pop-up, click Google Tag Manager, which is in the second column, about halfway down. On this page, click the button Copy to Clipboard, and then go to your Google Tag Manager and click on your container name. Then click on Add New Tag, which is in the upper left-hand side, inside of the new tag box. In the top, click the box Tab Configuration and scroll down and select Custom HTML. Paste your Statcounter code and click the checkbox for Support Document.write. Scroll down and click on the box for triggering. Select all pages and then click Save on the upper right. For the name, you can leave it as custom HTML if you would like, or you can type in Statcounter and then click Save. And on the upper right, click Submit and then click Publish. And here you can click Skip. And that's it. The Statcounter code is now added to your Google Tag Manager. Thank you very much for your time. Please let us know if you have any questions.